What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to search for images on Google. So here I have the Google homepage open, that's google.com, and let's say I want to search for Nike Air Jordan photos. So there are two ways I'm going to show in this video. First, if I click on images here on the top right corner, it'll open the Google image search page where I can write here like Nike Air Jordan and click enter. And it'll search for images of the Nike Air Jordan. Now, the second method is through the home page itself without clicking on the images here on top right corner. If I do a search on Nike Air Jordan, click enter, it'll give me like web pages, but on the top here you'll find many options. The first one is images. So if I click on it, it'll give me an image search for the title that I wrote here. And I can choose the photo that I want, click on it. And then here I can save it or open the web page. As you can see, there are many options here. If I right click on the photo, I can save image as, and it'll save as an image on my computer. And if I click on the photo itself, it'll open the web page where the photo is located.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.